I was devastated to see that my table had been left in the rain, but when I opened it up and saw how well it was packaged, I was pleasantly surprised and super excited about my brand new coffee table. This is the WLIVE wood lift top coffee table with hidden compartment. And this is how it looks when you first take it out of the box. The first thing I noticed that really stood out to me is all the pieces have individual numbers. They are all labeled so you know which piece is what. The user manual is also very user-friendly. It directs you step by step. Let's lay it out so you can see every piece that's included. The table legs. You also have the table leg plates. Along with that, you have every piece of hardware that you need. I love the way they individually packaged it and also labeled it. One of the first things I do is read through the manual just to get a good handle on what the manual says. Then I look at the pieces that are there, and I make sure that I have all the pieces that are supposed to be there. The first thing I do is put the pieces in an order that somewhat looks like the manual. And I make sure that every single piece of wood is accounted for. Then I look at the hardware, and I make sure that all the hardware is accounted for. Once everything is accounted for, it's time to put the WLIVE wood lift top coffee table with the hidden compartment and adjustable storage shelf all together. I love how easy it was to put this table together. Very simple. The instructions were very easy. It looks amazing. I really like the way this looks. I love the way the top comes up. Plenty of room to be able to put my books and my work supplies or my music supplies, depending on where I put this. And then pushing it right back down. Super simple. You'll love it.